పట్టిందంటే
మార్కెటింగ్
అది సెపరేట్ మార్కెటింగ్ చేయాలి.
Good morning children, good afternoon children. Today we are discussing direct and indirect speech. In our previous class also we have discussed two models, and today we are discussing interrogative model, that which has direct questions, means which are formed with double H letters. Previous we have discussed that yes or no questions into indirect speech. Now interrogative sentence only, another model which are formed with double H letters are direct questions. For example, now see that my mother said to me, comma, and quotation mark begin. See that, dear, how have you fared in the examination? Dear, how have you fared in exam? Full stop and quotation mark closed, question mark also. So here this is the way that they have given. Here this is the reporting clause, this is the reported clause. So while we are rewriting it, first subject as it is we have to write. My mother, this is subject, reporting subject, my mother. My mother said or said to, the reporting verb can be written as asked or inquired, and here reporting object also we had. Here my mother is the subject, that we can write as it is. Said to can be written as asked or inquired because it is interrogative sentence, and to connect these two clauses we have to use the question word which they have given in the interrogative form. What is the question word we had? How. My mother asked me, how? Dear, have you fared in exam? Have you fared in exam? So you is here reported subject. So means according to here reporting object, here reported subject should be changed. Then me becomes I in subjective case. So what can be written? My mother asked me, dear, how I have denotes as present perfect tense. We need to write it into its corresponding tense, had. How I had failed in examination or failed in exam, dear. That extra phrase we can write at the end. My mother, reporting subject as it is we written, said to we have written as asked or inquired, and reporting object we had, that me we can write as it is. Here reported clause is in interrogative sentence. This interrogative sentence consisted of double H word, that means direct question. When they have given direct questions, whatever the question word we had, that we can write as it is. How? Then the given statement is in present perfect tense, that we can change it into past perfect tense. How I had and fared in exam, dear. My mother asked me, how I had fared in exam, dear. At end we have to put a full stop. Have clear? One more example. See that. The bookseller said to me, the bookseller said to me, comma and quotation marks begin. Which book do you want? Which book do you want? Question mark and quotation mark closed here. In quotation marks, first letter must be written in capital letter. Capital letter. Here, what is the subject? The bookseller is the subject. That we can write as it is without any change. Here, reporting verb said to can be written as inquired or asked. And we have reporting object also, that me we can write. To connect these two clauses, reporting clause and reported clause, in the given statement, is there any question word? That we can write as a conjunction to connect these two clauses. What question word we had? Which is the question word? So, which book do you want? So, who is that? This is the reported subject that can be changed based on the reporting object me. So, me is in possessive form or objective case, that can be changed into I in possessive form. Me becomes I in subjective case or possessive case. So, which book? Here book subject. Which book do you want? Do denotes as V1 form, want denotes as V1 form. That means they have given simple present tense. So that can be changed into its corresponding tense, past tense, while we are rewriting or transforming the sentence into indirect speech or reported speech. So according to this, which book I wanted? Full stop. Which book I wanted? Do denotes as V1 form. Means the given sentence is in present tense. We have written it in a past, simple past tense. That is the way we need to write. At end we need to put full stop. We must not carry commas or punctuation marks or question mark or exclamation mark. One more example. See that. Mr. John said to Mary. Mr. John said to Mary, comma and quotation marks begin. See that. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? So we need to put question mark and close with the quotation marks. Here, what is the subject we have? Reporting subject. Mr. John is the reporting subject. That we can write as it is. And said to, I said, whenever we want to rewrite the interrogative sentence into indirect speech, said to becomes asked or inquired. Said to becomes asked or inquired. Here, Mary, object also is there. Object also we had. And here to connect these two clauses in the given interrogative sentence, whatever the question word we had, that question word we can write as a conjunction here. What is the question word we had? What are you doing now? So here reported subject is you. This reported subject based on Mary, this object can be changed. So you becomes based on object Mary. So Mary is the object here, that can be rewritten into subject in possessive form, that we can write as she. See that. Mr. John said to Mary, what are you doing now? What here are denotes us and doing denotes us, are denotes us present tense and doing denotes us continuous tense. So that means they have given present continuous tense. We need to write its corresponding tense, means present tense to be changed into past tense to be changed into past perfect tense. So present tense becomes past tense, present continuous tense becomes past continuous tense. According to this, subject is singular and singular past tense B form is was, or becomes was. What she was doing, continuous tense. So now becomes then. Why now becomes then means here it is not happened at present, or it is not happening at now, at present. So when those are discussed that time it was happened. So that's what now becomes then, and at the end we have to put full stop. We must not carry any punctuation mark. Are you clear? One more example we shall have that. He is said to me, he is said to me, he is said to me, comma and quotation marks begin. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Question mark and quotation mark close. Clear? So, what type of sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. How can we know that? So, in the given sentence, question word is there. What is the question word? Direct question word. The words which are formed with the WH letters. What are the letters? The words which are formed with the WH letters. That words we can consider as question words. And also here question mark is there. That is also one more identification, we can say it is a interrogative sentence. So while rewriting interrogative sentence into indirect speech, so first what we have to do? Subject we need to write he, she, it, whatever it is, or they, or we, or you, whatever the subject we had, or Gita, Sita, Radha, Peta, like that, whatever we had, that subject we can write as it is. Said to becomes what? So, asked when we are changing interrogative sentence into indirect speech or reported speech. And object what we have? Me is there, that we can write as it is. To connect these two clauses, whatever the question word we had, that we can write as a conjunction or the linker to connect these two clauses. Okay? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? So, what can be written? Is this? Whose book? Whose book? This becomes that, and is becomes was, because is denotes as present tense, and present tense becomes its corresponding tense past tense. He asked me whose book that was, and at the end we have to put a full stop. This is the way we need to rewrite or transform the interrogative sentence into indirect speech. Interrogative sentence into indirect speech. One more time I will tell you that you see that whatever the subject we had, that we can write as it is. Said or said to, we can write as asked or inquired, and reporting object if it is there we can write. If not there we should feel it as me, and already they have given as me. And to connect these two clauses we have to use whatever the question word they have given in the given question, that we can write as a conjunction here. Then do you want? Here do you want denotes as a present tense. We need to write it into its corresponding tense, means present tense becomes past tense. So for that we need to write want becomes wanted. Here I subject, you is the reported subject. This reported subject must be changed based on reporting object. Reported subject becomes based on reporting object. Me is in objective case. When it comes to subjective case or possessive case, me becomes I here. What I wanted. At the end we have to put full stop, and we must not carry any punctuation marks they have given in the question. Are you clear? Thank you.